A floor must be designed to withstand the use intended for that specific space. Floor systems fall into two general categories. 1. A series of linear beams and joists topped with a plan of sheathing. And 2. Decking or a slab of reinforced concrete.
The subflooring material must be smooth and level and suitable for installation of the floor's finished material. Construction joints are found between adjoining pours of concrete. Expansion joints between two parts of a structure allow for thermal expansion and contraction. Control joints are continuous grooves or separation inserted in concrete or masonry structures.
Wood floor systems. In wood light frame construction, a floor usually consists of wood joists resting on a larger beam or load-bearing walls. A structural subfloor, such as plywood or steel decking, is laid across and secured to the joists.
Moving vertically. Ways in which people and materials move vertically inside of a building include stairs, ramps, elevators, lifts, escalators, and materials handling equipment.
Stairs. Building codes may allow limited use of curved, window spiral, switchback, and alternating tread stairs. This depends on the occupancy classifications, number of occupants, and use of stairs, and the dimension of the treads. Most stairs must have a clear minimum width of 44 inches. With an occupant load of less than 50 people, a 36-inch minimum width is permitted. Stingers and trim may project a maximum of 1.5 inches. They must be continuous without interruptions by a newel or other obstruction. A flight of stairs may not rise more than 12 feet between floors or landing without intermediate landings. Each run of stairs require landing at the top and bottom as well as a flat floor or landing on each side of the door. The following are some criteria for stairways. A guardrail is required when the side of a stair is exposed and not enclosed by a wall. When the unusable space under stairs is enclosed, it is required by code to be 1-hour fire-resistant rated construction, with the exception of certain residential occupancy. Steel channels may be supported by beams, rest on masonry walls, or be hung on thread rods from the floor structure above. The ends and underside of steel stairs may be left exposed to view or finished with gypsum board or metal lath and plaster. Metal stairs may be noisy when in use. The greatest danger to building occupants in a fire is not flame, but the smoke. When an exit stairway is enclosed by walls of fire-rated construction and is accessible by a footable or open exterior balcony, the stairway is a smoke-proof enclosure. This air is kept under positive air pressure so that smoke will not tend to enter.
Within a building, a ramp is a sloping floor or walk that connects two levels. A stepped ramp is a series of ramps connected by steps. A curved ramp is technically known as a helicline.
Elevators. Parts of elevators includes cab, shaft, counterweight elevator machinery, control panel, speed governor, limit switch, buffer, hoistway door, operating controls, car signals, and supervisory controls. The goal in lightning cab should be to provide pleasant, even illumination from sources that are resistant to vandalism and abuse. Elevator controls and mechanisms are complex, diverse, and subject to heavy wear. They are designed with large safety factors and require thorough and frequent maintenance. Incline elevators are cars that ride up a diagonal path on incline rails, pulled up by a traction cable.
Vertical platform lifts are safe, economical, and space-conserving ways to overcome architectural barriers up to 12 feet high. These lifts are an alternative to elevators for limited rises. Vertical platform lifts do not require a hoistway or runway. Enclosure may be made of steel panels or clear or tinted acrylic panels.
Escalator is an efficient way to move people from one floor to another without taking up an excessive amount of floor space. However, no one likes to wait for an elevator. Escalators move more people faster. Passengers cannot be trapped on an escalator in a power failure, and escalators do not require emergency power, passengers simply walk up or down a stationary escalator as they would a staircase. An escalator is a power-driven staircase that consists of steps attached to a continuous circular belt. Escalators move large number of people efficiently and comfortably up to 6 floors, although they are most efficient for connecting 2 or 3 floors. Elevators, on the other hand, are preferred for moving a distance of more than 3 floors. The decorative design of an escalator enables passengers to observe panoramic views. In addition to the standard straight escalator, special escalator designs include curved escalators. Moving walks and ramps. Moving walks eliminate the need for people to walk long distances in a building. They are also used to speed up walkers. They eliminate congestion and force movement along a designated path. Like conveyor belts, they consist of power-driven, continuously moving surfaces. Moving walks can be used to transport large, bulky objects easily.
Automated dumbwaiters can carry loads of up to 1,000 pounds at speeds of up to 350 feet per minute. The maximum cart size is approximately 32 inches wide and 68 inches long and 70 inches high. Automated dumbwaiters are also called ejection lifts.
Pneumatic systems. Pneumatic tube systems are reliable, rapid, and efficient. They are relatively low cost if installed during initial building construction. Linen systems are commonly used in hospitals. Trash systems are found in many types of buildings, often along with trash compactors. These automated self-propelled vehicles can carry up to 300 pounds.